Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your new Wix website. After you accept the transfer, you have to log in into your Wix account. And right after the login page, you should be able to see the My Sites page where you have all your websites. This is the new website that we've transferred. So what you want to do is transfer the premium plan that you have, as I showed you in the previous video. And once you've done that, let's go to the dashboard page. In here, please set up your payment method by clicking Get Paid button here. I don't have access to that part of your account anymore. The Get Found on Google part I will handle, and I will let you know when you have to do something in there to connect your Google account. And now let's move into actually editing the website. If you click the Site Actions button here and click Edit Site, or click the Edit Site button directly here from the bottom corner, the editor will open in a new browser tab. Allow it a few minutes to load. I will also open the live site so we can see it side by side. And you will see that in the editor the websites look almost identical as the live site, but you can click on every element. So you can click on the logo and you can just drag it around to change its position. Same for menu and cart and all other elements in here. You cannot change the menu name and pages from here, but if you go here in menus and pages, the first bubble, you click on these three dots near the page name and you can rename that page just by typing a new name. This applies to all the pages. If we scroll down, we have the slider. So if you want to change the background of the slider, just click on it and click Change Slide Background. Click Image from this window that opens, or video. And then you have here in the site files, in the gallery that opens, all the pictures that we used on the website. You can also upload new media from your computer or from other websites that you can use, and by just double clicking on them, the image will change. To change to the second slider, just hit that arrow and you see how it changes, and you can perform the exact same actions. To change the text, just double click on a text element and just type with your keyboard something else in there. Another element is a button. You can change the text and the icon of a button. Right now you have this text for this button and an arrow icon. You can just replace the icon by clicking this one, and then you can upload another icon from your computer, or from you can search here Wix another shape that you want to use. You can also change where the button goes by just clicking here, and then you can select another page of the website, or you can go to an external link. If you click web address and just type in there the link, then this will change. For the buttons, you can also change design. If you click this and click customize design, you have a regular view and a hover view. The hover view is when you actually click the button. So let's say that you want to make this change to this color when you click on it, and the text, we want it to be white. So right now this is the regular view, and when you put the mouse over it, it will be this color. I also don't want to forget to change the icon. So this is how button work and how the styling of them works. These are your site colors, but you can anytime add any color. If you click this add color button and then just select another color, click add, and then it will show here in the list and you can use it. I'm just gonna stick with what was there before. Scrolling down, we see other sections of the home page. Again, you have here some text elements and some images. This is the logo image that we used previously. This is a text that you can edit. Here you can also see all sorts of styling options. You can make the font smaller or bigger by just dragging this around. You can change the color of it, and so on. So you can also adjust position of the elements quite easily. You can change like how big this section is. You see you have this arrow here, and if you just drag it, You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm not gonna just repeat everything. Everywhere where you have a text element, you can just simply click on it and then you can edit quite easily. Same with the picture, just click on them and click change image, and then a side gallery opens. You just select another image or upload a new one from your computer and it gets changed. Here at the top you have an undo button. In case you do something that you don't like, you can just go back multiple steps to do that. Here you have the blog posts. So if you click on this element and click manage posts, you can write new blog posts, or you can edit the existing ones. If you create a new post, then you will be asked to enter a title. You can add from here, you can add images, gallery of images, videos, and so on. You just have to type in there and then hit publish to get it on the website. You can also edit any blog post that is previously there. You don't necessarily have to go into the editor to edit blog posts. You can just go here in the dashboard in blog section and it's going to be identical to this section that opens. So if you just want to make blog edits, you can just go and do that from the dashboard, not necessarily from the editor. Here you can change post styling if you click the settings icon and just go to layouts. These are the layouts that are available in Wix, and you can select another one that you like better if there's any. Here you have a testimonial section. This is just a slider as the one on the top. To navigate to the slides, just hit that arrow once you click the element. And then if you click manage slides, you can just basically add new testimonials by duplicating an existing slide. I'm going to duplicate this one. And now I have a slide 15. And in here, what you want to do is just paste in there the new testimonial. To delete testimonial, again, just go to manage slides, hit these 3 dots and click delete. And then that is gone. Here you have a contact form. For the contact forms, you can change the email this gets sent to. If you go to settings, email notifications, right now it goes to this email, but you can click other emails and just type in there another email at your choosing. You can even have multiple emails. You will see that you cannot just simply click on the menu to change through the pages, so you have to click on menus and pages and select another page that you want to go. So for example, on this page, we are just going to go one by one and see if there is any element different than the home page. But basically all the background strips are changed the same. Here in settings, for these strips you can also change the opacity, so you can see better the color behind the image or not. This only has to do with the actual text that is on the images. And yeah, let's go on with the other pages. So here, when you want to add content, you just have to click this add button, and you can add images, my image uploads, and you can just select another image or upload another image from your computer and just have to position it on the page. Of course, you want to delete all these elements in the background. So just add images like that. You can position them wherever you want, and you can also add text elements from here. This is a paragraph style, so you just want to drag it in here and then just paste in there the new text. You can just simply click on an element and click this delete button from the right side to delete it. Here you can modify this video by clicking on it and click change video. It's exactly the same as with the images. And same for this document. If you click on it and click settings, you will be able to change the file and upload a new one if you want. The member page, this is just simple text added in here, and if you want to modify the plan, just click on it and click manage plans. Another window will open, and from here you can edit the pricing and all that it says. Just click on it and then you can change the plan name, all the description and all that it includes. Also, if it's a monthly payment or you have other weekly, yearly payments in here. You can also have a free trial for this, and change the pricing is quite easy. Just click the save button, and then you can exit this and changes will be saved. Again, this page is empty. You can add content on it, as I said, image, text. You can see what other options you have here, but I think image and text is pretty much everything that you want. You can also copy elements from other pages. Like if you want this video player, you can just click this copy, and then if you go to this page, you can click paste and it will get added in here, and then you can change the video that shows. This is you can do this with any element from every page. Blog page, I'm not gonna go very much into it because it's exactly the same. You can manage posts from here as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. For the shop part, what you want to do, these are just random products in here, so when you open this up, you want to delete all these, so I'm just gonna go and do that for you, so it's just an empty shop for now. And when you add a product, you can just it's going to be probably a digital file, so if you click that, you have to write the title, and then here you have to upload the actual file, like a document or audio file or a video or whatever it is, or multiple files as a zip file. Here you want to enter the price, description maybe, and images that and videos that people will see to present the product. So here is the actual product they get once they purchase, and here are the presentation images and videos, demos, things like that. Every time you make a change to the desktop website, you want to go into the mobile editor as well and see if everything looks good. Sometimes things get messed up in here, like this text can go there and you have to drag it back if you modify it, and it's good to always check the mobile view. Here you can basically just move things around and make them bigger or smaller, so it's not, you cannot change the styling from here. Everything is kept from the desktop side, so all the buttons look the same, all the text looks the same color, and so on. And it's the same to navigate to the pages from here. Whenever you're done making changes, just hit the blue publish button and they will reflect on the live site as well. If you don't want people to see what you've done, just hit the save button, and next time you go into the editor, the changes will be there so you can continue your work until you are ready to publish. Let me know if you have specific questions and I will make another video about it.